Hello everyone. Dodge Hornet has made a splash in the compact SUV market, offering a compelling blend of performance, style and value. While it has quite captured the sales figures, it hasn't actually quite captured the sales figures of its rivals like Toyota RAV4 or so. Hornet possesses distinct advantages that position itself as a strong contender. So why is the Hornet lagging behind? Last year they sold about 9,000 or so vehicles. That was the first year. This year so far 12,000 or so. Several factors could be contributing to the Hornet's slower sales compared to its competitors. One is brand perception. Dodge is traditionally known for its muscle cars and performance vehicles. While the Hornet is a departure from this image, it might take time for consumers to associate Dodge with a compact SUV. Second is market saturation. The compact SUV segment is fiercely competitive, friends, with established players offering a wide range of options and incentives. Consumer awareness building is the next factor. Building brand awareness and generating buzz for a new model like Dodge Hornet, it takes time. The Hornet might still be under a radar for many consumers. But Hornet has some strength that I'm asking my operator to show a little bit this direction. Despite these challenges, Dodge Hornet offers several key advantages. Performance focus. Now look at the engine. With its available turbocharged engine and sporty handling, the Hornet delivers a driving experience that few competitors can match. It's a compact SUV that doesn't sacrifice fun when driving. Second is unique styling. Now let's go back a little bit and look at the Hornet styling. It stands out from the crowd, and the design elements like aggressive stance. Look at this grille, and this, by doing that, it makes a nice statement. Next is value proposition. It offers competitive price point established, especially when comparing to performance capabilities of this car. It represents excellent value with those seeking a sporty SUV without breaking the bank, and it has some great technological advancement, which I will show in a moment when we get inside. The Hornet comes equipped with the latest infotainment and safety features, ensuring drivers stay connected and protected. So friends, while the Dodge Hornet may not be dominating sales chart just yet, its combination of performance, style and value make it a compelling option for SUV shoppers. As Dodge continues to build brand awareness and address inventory challenges, the Hornet has the potential to become a major player in the compact SUV segment. Now let's take a look at the car itself. So I talked about performance. Now look at the engine. It has a great engine that I will have in the description of this video. Here is the statement of the design. I'm going to ask my son, Harold, would you please turn off the, close the hood of the vehicle, please? So we have a better look of this vehicle. Let's try it one more time. There you go. Look at the statement with its cool sporty design that the Dodge Hornet is making. A few days ago I was entering a coffee shop to take a cup of coffee, and one of the people who was sitting inside, when I parked the car in front of the coffee shop, when I entered the shop, he said, "Is that a new Toyota, is that a new Ford Mustang Mach-E?" I said, "No, but does it look like?" He said, "Yeah, the grille and this front does look like a Ford Mustang Mach-E." Now I promise that I will show you also the interior. Let's take a look at the interior so you see how advanced the inside is with the design and so on. Seats are very comfortable. I drove this vehicle from Hilton Head Island to Charlotte in North Carolina. It's about 4 hours drive, very comfortable, very sporty. And then let's take a look at the rear seat, and then I will show you the trunk. In the meantime, I'll ask my son to open the trunk for us, everybody, so we can take a look at that. You see, we have air conditioning here, and we have even a USB and other options to charge your phone. This is how the doors are. Okay. Lots of place in the trunk. It's good enough. in terms of safety. Now I'm going to ask my son to close the trunk. Yeah, with the touch of a button it closes the trunk, and you can see. Howard, would you please also close the doors? This way you will have a full look at the vehicle. Really nice, sporty. This is the GT model that I test drove this week. You can read my full review at torquenews.com/Dodge. Well, friends, let me know your thoughts about Dodge Hornet. Beautiful red calipers for the brakes on the wheels. And this is Armen Harian from torquenews.com. God bless you, everyone, and I'll see you soon in our next report. If you like this report, please give us thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and look for more coming next.